I'm Sarah with WTI.
I was looking for a shelf for my living room to just add a little flair and to give me an extra little bit of storage, and I found it in this beautiful acrylic bookcase. Look at how pretty it is. I love the material that it's made out of. I love how sturdy it is. I think that is my favorite thing about it is I know that this thing is going to last me for years. I also love how versatile it is. I have it here in my living room holding a plant and some books, just some odds and ends in my living room. But really, you could put this in the bathroom to hold your makeup. You could put it in a bedroom as a bookcase. You could use this anywhere. I love that about it. It was very easy to put together. I thought that was nice. Usually I have my husband help me with things like this, but I did it all by myself. The instructions were very easy to read and very clear, and everything just went together very nicely. It comes with the tools and all of the hardware that you need. And I also love that it comes with the back panel to give it extra stability. I really had it together in a matter of moments. And when you're done, look at this beautiful shelf that you have to put in any room that you desire for any reason that you desire. So if you are in the market for a new shelving system to put in your bathroom, bedroom, closet, living room, whatever room you desire, then this is the one that you need. I absolutely love it. It would also make a great gift for a loved one.
And that's my point of view.